Well, welcome back to the Common Core Geometry using Sketchpad. We're working on Module 4, Lesson 3. That's on page 33, and we're looking at example 2. Looks like we're going to plot up a triangle. So we'll go to Graph and Show Grid. Then we'll go to Graph and we'll plot some points. And the first point looks like it's 0, 0. So we'll plot that one. The next one is at 2, 6 for B. And C is at 4, 2. Then why don't we just label those? We'll say done here. We'll label those so we know which ones they are. So A was at the origin. B was at 2, 6. Okay, so B and C. We have those. Let's just go ahead and connect up. Let's go ahead and connect that up. A, B, B, C, and C, A. So we have that triangle there. And we also want to find where that intersects the line y equals 2. So we can plot that as well. So we can go to Graph, we can plot that function, and we'll use this equation form, y equals, and it's just y equals 2. So we'll plot that. And we can also find, we can see it intersects in 2 points, but we could also find those. So if we have the line, this, it looks like, yeah, well, it definitely goes right through C. So let's construct that intersection. So now we have that point, and we can find out exactly what that is too. We can click on the point, go to measure, and we'll get the coordinates of that. So there's our point of intersection. So what is the length of the horizontal segment within the region along this line? So length. So it wants the length of that little segment. So we can certainly find that out too. We can go ahead and click on our points, and we can measure that distance. All right. Well, next up, it looks like it asks us to graph the line 3x minus 2y equals 5. So we can go ahead to the graph and go ahead and plot that. We'll use the y equals notation, and we'll just change it around so that we can get it into y equals. So I'll put in a parenthesis. We'll have, looks like 5 minus 3x. And that would be fine, and we'll divide that by -2. And we'll go ahead and see how that does. Alright, so we went ahead and plotted that up, and it wants us to find these points of intersection, so I think we can do that as well. We'll just have our line here, we'll construct that intersection, and we'll do it here again, here and here. Construct that intersection. Then we'll get these couple points, and we'll measure their coordinates. So it looks like we went ahead and found those. And then it looks like we'll do some plotting of some lines, equations of lines, and do some algebra to finish up this section. So that'll be it for this one, and we'll do another one soon.